Hello everybody! Can you imagine showing your graphic design in 3D? With Reality Max, you can do it in a very easy way. Join me! The first step is to import a 3D mockup, or better yet, use one from our library. Today, we are going to work with this wine bottle. Once the object is selected, look for the layer where you want to insert your design in the right sidebar. Upload your graphics from the texture section either in JPG or PNG. Any format is valid. Ready! Your design is already in place. Share it now with whoever you want so they can see your work in real size. Wow, it looks amazing! Catch you later!